Hello everyone. So this is our TCS Complete Placement course, which is a one-shot solution for your TCS NQT examination. Now why I'm saying this? Because we are providing you all the important things for your TCS NQT examinations, whether that is TSA, aptitude, CS fundamentals, interview questions, generative AI, each and everything are included inside the course in form of video lectures, assignment sheets, TCS NQT PYQs and lots of more things. Fine. So now after enrolling in this course, you will find this on your My Dashboard section. Fine. So when you click on this My Dashboard section, you will find here in My Courses section, there is the complete TCS NQT course. Fine. So now we will see what all things are included inside the course. So here you can see the interface of the course. We have also provided you the progress bar here from where you can check your progress as well. Fine. So here you can see in section number 1, we have started aptitude, and section 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 are the various sections of aptitude. Fine. So here all the important chapters, all the important sections of aptitude which is important for your TCS NQT examination are included inside the course. Whether that is quantitative aptitude, logical aptitude or verbal aptitude, each and everything is included here. Fine. And means that 100% syllabus completion is there. Fine. And for all of these chapters, in various sections, we have provided you the video lectures. Along with video lectures, when you scroll down here, you will also find all the other resources as well and notes as well. And by resources, I mean assignments, TCS assignments, TCS NQT PYQs and various other resources inside the notes section. Fine. After this, there is section number 2 where we have started DSA. Yes, data structures and algorithm. And in DSA, we have not only covered the basic DSA chapters like arrays, strings. No, we have covered the basics as well. But along with basics, we have also covered the advanced DSA. Yes, whether that is greedy algorithm, graph series. Here you can see the graph series, then dynamic programming series. And for all of these things, there is perfect video lectures included inside. Fine. And then there comes another section, that is your computer science fundamental chapters. Fine. Whether that is DBMS, OOPS, generative AI, operating system, computer network. For all of these chapters, you will find perfect video lectures here. And along with video lectures, we have also given you the PDF notes as well as important interview questions. Yes, top interview questions are also included inside the course. Fine. Means that we are also preparing you for the interviews as well. Fine. Now after this, there comes the most unique section of our course, that is the PYQ section. Yes, we have also provided you the PYQ section in video lectures format. Yes, you can see here for aptitude PYQ, there are video lectures format, and then we have DSA PYQ, and in DSA PYQ, we have divided them in easy, medium and hard. Yes, easy, medium and hard sections are there for your DSA TCS PYQ. Means that TCS NQT previous year questions are also covered inside the course in video lectures format. Fine. As I have told you that you have to do story based question for TCS NQT, because TCS NQT is asking story based question in DSA. Fine. So to crack the coding of TCS NQT up to prime level, you have to crack the story based question. Fine. So here in this course, in the PYQ section, we are solving the PYQ of DSA which are in story based format, and this will help you to crack the coding of TCS. Fine. And that is the specialty of the course. Fine. So after that, there is the last section, that is section number 12, in which we have given you other resources for TCS NQT preparation, whether that is extra questions of TCS and all. Fine. And let me tell you one more important thing, that inside this PYQ section, so many new videos will also added. Fine. Means that we are going to solve so many PYQs inside this course. Fine. Means that in this single course, we are providing you the video lectures of all the chapters as well, the video lectures of all the DSA chapters as well, the video lectures of all the computer science fundamentals as well, and the video lectures of all the PYQs as well, along with TCS NQT PDFs and notes and assignments. Fine. So yeah, that's all about the course, and you can explore more after enrolling in this course. Fine. So all the best for your TCS NQT examinations.